Hello, welcome back to Marciano Singson YouTube channel. But before I proceed, please subscribe muna. After you subscribe, push the notification bell, then like nyo na rin and share pathway niya. Then, yan nga, nag-selfie na lang ako, yan mga kuha ko sa iba't ibang Fourth of Calls. So, yan. So, don't forget to like and share na lang tong video ko and please subscribe.
Pero adventure kanan. Papasok doon nata, adventure.
Okay, pogi by water. Pogi by water slide.
Nakatapos na nila mag-park. Asan ang Ocean Adventure? Ayun na yun, water park.
That water park.
Hindi, yung
Alam
Ocean
mo,
Adventure.
Water park.
Saan ba na yung Ocean Adventure ate?
Ay na sila.
Ay, may wall climbing. Tatanong ko bakit sila nandito sa ano?
Destination.
Oo nga, tanong nga.
Yeah, right? Destination.
Ocean Adventure mo.
Why you gotta feel boy ang dream? You have a right, Daddy Boy. You have a right, yeah, right with the destination.
Ano yan?
Teka muna, ay ano pa.
Ano sa, ano dito si Maggie?
Eh di nakakuha na pala ng ticket eh.
Destination.
Nakakuha na pala ng ticket eh. Teka.
Ako muna na.
Huwag ka nang bababa. Sila. Dito na kami. Hello. Hello, dito na kami. Hello. Say hello. Say hello. Hello. Jonathan. Sister, smile ah. Ayun sa taas pa pala Set. Doon tayo sa Longapo. Thank you.
Which one? Much better.
Hindi, may ata iba yun eh.
Dalawa na yung 1.5 na yun.
Hindi, ito okay. Malagyan lang ng mga gamit. Ayos na yan. Okay na yan ha. Oh, lalagyan lang naman ng gamit eh. Doon naman ano.
Pero kuya pa, tanggal na lang itong mga. Akala ko malaki yung kabahan.
Wala po ma'am.
Ay, walang ano siya.
Ang may outlet lang po yung papel.
Ah, sa papel yun lang.
Magkano to?
1,200 ma'am yung yato po natin.
Ah, okay, okay. Bayad tayo ng 1. Okay, mag-visit yung mga bata. Ah, gusto nyo manood muna?
Oo. Ikot-ikot bago muna magbasa. Ikot muna tayo bago magbasa.
Hindi ready, may control pa ba? Ay, wala na. Kasi pwede mo. Hindi natin alam eh. Nakita yung gusto natin eh.
Ang alele? Ang... Ah, yung malaki.
Yung maliit. Nakiyata 50 ng katao daw.
Okay na ito. Bala pagalang natin ang gamit eh.
Isang daan, pwede na dito ngayon. Ate kwenta dun eh.
100 patayo. 100 patayo.
Mag-game na kayo. Sige na, go.
Kala ka magagala muna bago
Hindi na nga
mag-game.
muna. Mamayang hapon na nga. 1:15 yung sinabi.
Alas 2. 1:15 sila yun.
Diretso na yun. Kasi diretso po eh. 1:15 po ako lang. May masyado. Kailangan na yan. Kada show ng 20 minutes. Jeff, paano to, Jeff? Oo nga, ang unang show, 1:15 na. Kain na lang po muna.
Kain muna tayo, kain.
Magkala muna kami ng pagkain. Meron daw restaurant. Oo nga po. Tingnan po namin. Pero hindi na meron daw restaurant sa Adventure. Parehas lang. Parehas lang. May dalawa lang daw. Tara, dito na pagkain. Sige na dyan na. Pagkain mo na. Naiko ko yung magpalit sa inyo. Ayan. Ano ba? Walang maliligo.
Oli ka. Ay, doon muna. Ay, sasama ito, Bio. Ito muna ang dalawa, iihilak to.
Asan sila?
Oo, wag tumakbo. Ayun o. Doon sa kabila. Halika, Marius! Oh, teka, puntahan natin sila doon. Marius!
Kanya, ano ka?
Dito, oh. Halika! Pupunta doon, oh. Tigas sa ulo mo, eh.
Everybody in the pool can't be in the pool or else you're banned forever.
Diyan kayo kakain. Hindi, doon ako pupunta para magbantay kukuhanin ko na yung pagkain ko para mabantayan yung gamit. Kasi doon yung mga gamit. Ipabalot mo yung sa akin. Kasi yung gamit babantayan ko.
Wala namang may valuable things.
Oo, doon yung camera ko.
Nagkakaroon mo na lang dito kasama yung sa stroller ni Maki doon isang pa.
Ano pang ano?
Wala naman ang valuable things dito.
Eh sila. Sige, sabihin mo na. Eh, iwanan ko na dito yung dalawa. Ay, siya, dito ka muna. Papupunta. Luto na ba? Di pa.
Niluluto na.
Niluluto pa lang. Asa si Millicent?
Naglakad sila doon. Ay,
Yung
nandun sila
gamit,
mamaya sa mga birds.
yung...
Sa mga birds.
Seth! Ano doon pata yung sinyelas namin? Saan mo nilagay?
Nasa likod ng kotse.
Ay, di ba yung gagamitin na nila dito? Akin na, kuhanin ko. Ano pa kukuhanin niya?
Wala. Ito na lang pinitin mo ha, itong sa likod lang.
Ha?
Ito ang lipiditi sa likod, kasi ito panlock, dalawang pindot. Ako mo sila
Ay, iwanan ko dyan ha, yung dalawa. Si Marius. Oh, kukuhanin ko yan, oh. Ana, be, doon na lang daw lahat. Dali niyo yung valuable material, ano niya, pizza. Yung ano, iwanan na lang iba dyan. Time na lang ako, luluto pa sila. Paano ko yung tiyaras doon? Kaya nga. Dali niyo na lang yung ano. 20 kilo. Oo. Sino? Ito tayo. Ani? Punta dito ka muna ako para tibok ko. Sana. Kana. Bigay mo ka. Ay, dito na ako, Jed. Yung gamit ko, dalhin na lang. Dito na kami bata. Kaya kung gusto nyo dito, tatlo tayo dito, senior. Tatlo tayo dito, senior. Sige, paunahan mo sila. Hello, init ah. Yan na tayo, very hot.
Kaya nagpalit ako eh.
Hello, hello. We are here in Subic Adventure, ano.
Anong gusto mo? Pepsi o yung mountain?
Diet, may diet.
Wala pa sa inyo? Ayaw pa. Yung kanila? Ito pa lang sa atin. Ha? Yung nga. Thank you. Saan ba? Dito o doon? Ito? Ano ba itong? Ano yan? Monkey? Monkey? Saan? Nakatali? Ah. Buhay? Saan ba dito? Saan ba? Ito yung counter cove. Ayun o, yung ano.
Ayun yung dolphin. Ayun yung dolphin na yun.
Ayan na, nakakulong siya eh. Nakakulong. Saan ba? Dito? Ayun. Saan yung sila yun? Liligo. Saan ba entrance? Ah, dyan sa ano?
So, every show iba-ibang ano? Every show iba-ibang parang
Yes po, iba-iba.
Dito?
So, dediretso lang po tayo dyan. Then, turn-wise po tayo. Diretso lang po. Kapag meron po tayo nakita, may mga tao tapos may hagdanan po.
Ah, doon na. Oo.
Diretso lang.
Sige, thank you. Asan yung dalawa? An? Asan na? Layo pala eh, no? Bakit daw eh? Baka doon. Talo mo. Sure. Ewan ko yung tripod ko. Selfie stick. Hintayin mo sila. Ah.
very many years. Now, mostly you all know that a small plastic bag like this one could kill. Did you know that? When a small bear sea lion, sea turtles, and other marine animals could easily swallow this plastic bag, they would choke and die. While fishing lines that use some pets like this one could kill tens of thousands of marine animals every year. This is their wrap around their neck and flippers, and see that? Guys,
May tao na ulo.
Oh?
the like what I've said, just like behind us, they dangerous. Animals like early to get entangled in this kind of net.
Nahulog. Meron abot niya. Oo.
Nahulog?
Oo, sangga ko. Ganyan, nahulog.
Quiet, quiet.
Kasi nag-roll. Oo.
After
Ang
getting
cute yan, ang
entangled
cute.
slowly,
Kasi naulog. Hindi tayo.
they drown. Poor Curly. Well, what a fine acting job, those of folks. How about a big round of applause for Curly? Now, to be a true conservationist, the Marine Patrol always practices the 3 R's.
Yes, officer. And the first R is reduce. We'll reduce the amount of trash you make by buying items of larger sizes. So, did you all know that these 4 small bottles are equal to a big one? So, you better buy the bigger one, of course. Okay, Chloe, come on, let's go to the second box. Okay, so for the second R, we have here reuse. We'll reuse items like bags, boxes, and bottles whenever we can. And here's a great tip from Chloe. Well, canvas bag just like this one can make great grocery bag, and you can even save on paper and
Kaya, oo,
stick.
kikita ko nga.
Okay, is that right, Chloe? Is that right? Yes, that is right. And we still have one more R. So, do you have any idea what's the last R? What do you think the last R? Come on. Seriously, go.
Now, if our sea lions can't do it, well,
Hey,
Oh,
officer.
Teka, teka, no. Huwag na. May hina ang battery. Doon ka na lang manood, tapos panoorin mo na lang.
Okay, so Chloe and Early, it's time to speak up. Come on, hurry. That was loud and clear, officer.
so folks, did you understand that? No? Of course, but you don't have to worry because Officer Ruth understands sea lion language.
Well, yes, of course I do. And what they just
Oo,
said
titingnan natin
is,
si
let's make
Mami.
everyday Earth Day. Is that right, guys? Yes, that is right.
Well, another mission accomplished in another step taking towards a better Earth. Hey, officer,
Yes, officer.
I feel that we should celebrate, don't you think?
Well, that's a great idea. Now, let's celebrate with some dancing.
Alright, folks, please put your hands together for Early and Chloe.
Ayun, nagdadance, oh. Yun, oh. So, the other one, oh, you see, oh, on the upper, the big one, oh. You see the big one, oh, on the top? Babasa.
Alright, now ladies and gentlemen, please put your hands together for Chloe and Ernie.
So on behalf of our Sea Lions here at Ocean Adventure, we would like to say thank you for joining us here today. But before you go, please join us in proud salute.
Everybody, salute to the Sea Lion Marine Patrol. Oh, we are working very hard to protect our precious marine resources. So everyone, do your part to help.
Once again, folks, maraming salamat po, and we hope you enjoy your stay here at Ocean Adventure. Goodbye, everyone.
Oh, wag kayong alas muna. Dito muna.
Opportunities for you to meet our
Dito muna, wag muna.
close and
Hoy, Saira, dito muna. Wag kay... Kylie!
meet and greet program and play and paint session. If you are interested, please approach our friendly photographers.
Now, if our Sea Lions can't do it, well, they option.
Teka, no. Huwag na. May na ang battery. Di ba naman madutas pa na ulo nila?
Okay, so Chloe and Early, it's time to speak up. Come on, Bernie.
You don't have to worry because Officer Root understands Sea Lion language.
Well, yes, of course I do. And what Paige
Oo,
said
titingnan natin si...
is, let's make every day Earth Day. Is that right, guys? Yes, that is right.
Well, another mission accomplished in another step, taking towards a better Earth. Hey, officer.
Yes, officer.
I feel that we should celebrate, don't you think?
Well, that's a great idea. Now, let's celebrate with some dancing.
Alright, folks, please put your hands together for Early and Chloe.
Ayun, nagdadance, oh. Yun, oh. Diba, no? You see, oh, and first, the big one, no? You see the big one, no? On the top. Babasa.
Alright, now ladies and gentlemen, please put your hands together for Chloe and Early.
So on behalf of our Sea Lions here at Ocean Adventure, we would like to say thank you for joining us here today.
Oh, huwag kayong alis muna. Dito muna.
Opportunities for you to meet
Dito muna, wag muna.
up close and
Hoy, Saira, dito muna. Huwag kayo. Kylie!
meet at Eat program and play and paint session. If you are interested, please approach our friendly photographers.
Okay po, yung ibang lalabas ako, standby lang po tayo. Standby lang po. Dahan po kayo.
Asan yung mga bata?
Ay, huwag na isipin ko ng luto, pwede ka na. Sarap ang gawan.
lobster, oh. Ayan, oh, kanta. Ayan.
Di ba yung po?
Ayan, oh.
I see a big lobster.
Where's the lobster?
A big lobster. It's like the
It's right now.
Doon pa, meron pa doon. Ay, wala. Wala na. Wala na. Shipwreck. Dito, shipwreck. Sarah, dito na. Teka. Dali, 1, 2. Ayan, dyan kayo. Sige. Dali, sasama rin ako. Ayan. Sige. Okay na.